What is up, everybody? I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. This video is coming out after 4th of July, so we got Kevin with us and we got Indy back there with us. We're just kind of out enjoying the day. It's hot. It's very hot. Yeah, his headlight don't work. If anybody's got an F4i front fender, let your boy know. And brake rotors and front brake rotors. Anybody got an F4i just front end completely, just let your boy know. Must stay back here in the shade. I have big brain. My big brain don't do cocaine.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Yeah, I'll buy that house. Ooh, I'll buy that house. Ooh, I'll buy that one. That one's nice. I like that, legitimately. 3-car garage over there. I'm currently in the process of buying a house right now, which is why the videos are kind of sparse, is because, you know, buying a house is kind of stressful and very time consuming. I'm still going to try to get the videos out to you guys as much as I can. Oh, that scared me because I couldn't see you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't. Kevin asked if I still had my headlight when I set that down. That's the same spot. Like a year ago, I set a wheelie down and my whole headlight just boonk, fell out. Damn. That sucks when there's traffic in the tunnels. So I want to try to find this lot that Kevin was telling me about. He has yet to take me there, so we're going to try to find it today. Yeah! If you guys ever see me riding down the street, somebody was doing some whippets back there. Did you see that? All them little CO2 containers laying on the ground. If you guys ever see me riding down the street and I give the goofy wave and you don't give the goofy wave back, don't even try to talk to me. Oh, he did not give me the goofy wave. Oh. That's gotta be what he's talking about. Look at that view of downtown right here. Ooh, and we can send ourselves into the river if we want to. Hey, we got a buddy. You out here to pop some wheelies? Hell yeah. Ooh. Well, that sucks. Man, if you guys ever see, I mean, I know that guy didn't know who we were, but if you guys ever see us out here, it don't matter what kind of bike you're on. We're down to ride with anyone. You could be on a scooter and we'll ride with you. Hi, buddy! Wait, is that Canyon? Alright guys, let's go. Yeah, the guy on the bicycle popped a wheelie. That dude's biffing, dude. He said, this is my parking spot, and he parked his power chair right there. Oh, yep, that's the house that we're gonna buy. We're signing the papers next week. It's all that YouTube money rolling in, you know. I've got all that YouTube money, so it's about time I buy a house that shows the amount of YouTube money. Dude, it's crazy. I mean, the YouTube's money is just, I mean, it's coming in by the truckload, really. They're like dump trucks coming in and just dumping money off over and over again. And I'll go out and I'll ask the guy, like, what is this all about, dude? And he's like, YouTube, you know, Google, AdSense. Goofy wave. He's not even waving. He's on an R6 because he's cooler than us. He's so much cooler than us. Oh, is that right? My bike is so unstable, if I do that, my front will... Alright, Kevin, keep your head on a swivel for the Hondas out here. Ladies. That guy did not even see us. Uh-oh. Probably gonna be it for this video, guys. This is a pretty decent day. Went out, popped some wheelies, had some fun. It's been a minute since I've been able to kind of just go out with no plans. It's a good time. Good time. What is my outro? What did I say first? Did I say thanks everybody so much for watching? Yeah. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.